Are you looking for plumber, construction, or any kind of handyman services website for your business? Or an electrical, painting, cleaning, or home repair services website for your company? Introducing TNC Handyman, the best Webflow construction template. Create or redecorate your website easily. Now, where to get this template? To get this template, you need to visit templates.ThemeNcode.com. Here, you need to search TNC Handyman. Take a look at our TNC Handyman template is listed. Here, you can check the live preview and designer preview or all the template variants from this page. Click Buy Now to get this template from Webflow website. Now, let's explore the live preview of TNC Handyman. TNC Handyman is specifically designed for handy service providers. It contains all the necessary sections required for such providers. This template has a sleek, modern design that exudes professionalism. All graphics are optimized for devices with high DPI screens. You can display images and text elegantly on every device with our responsive slider. TNC Handyman offers boundless customization, making it perfect for any digital project and also lightning fast performance and user-centric interface for your website. With TNC Handyman, you have a comprehensive solution for your online presence, attract more clients and effectively showcase your skills. Now, let's see how to use TNC Handyman. This is our template TNC Handyman. Here, you will find all the sections and pages. You can change everything in this template. Let's customize our header. Just hover over the element and click on it to get each customizable option. Have a look. Here you can easily change the logo by clicking on the Replace Image option. Now, let's customize the nav menu. For this, I need to double tap on nav bar and select the nav link what I want to change. Here, I replaced this nav link name from About with Home. You can also change the link type, open type, page connection or URL. After that, you can easily change this banner image by clicking on Replace Image option. Then, you can easily customize or change this hero heading text. Here, I just select the text and replaced it with, Welcome to ThemeNcode LLC. Then, I also rewrite this subtitle too. Here I write, This is for learning. Let's customize this button. Here, I select the button, and it shows all the options for edit this button. Have a look, I changed the button name from Contact Us to Click Here. Then, you can also change the button link, preload, page connection, open type, or URL. You can easily change, edit, add or delete any text or images in this template. Just select the element and do whatever you want. This is our footer section. You can easily replace this footer logo by clicking on the Replace Image option. You can also change this footer paragraph or address. After that, you can edit or change each social link or icon. So, you can change, edit, add, or remove anything in this template as per your requirements, and it is quite easy. So, if you are looking for the best Webflow Handyman services template, get TNC Handyman, and if you want to browse more templates, visit templates.ThemeNcode.com.